Next time, prepare passion fruit this way. Everyone will love it. To start, cut off the tip of 4 passion fruits and then cut them in half. Next, place them in a skillet. Add water. 3 sticks of cinnamon. Cover the passion fruits with the other tips and let them cook for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, in a bowl with 100 milliliters of water, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix very well. Pour this mixture into the skillet and let it cook for another 10 minutes. After this time, remove the passion fruits and transfer them to a blender. Also, add the liquid from the skillet. Blend everything very well. Then, strain all the liquid. Transfer the liquid back to the blender. Add 250 milliliters of milk, 13 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. Blend everything very well. To serve, place 6 ice cubes in the glasses and pour the passion fruit condensed milk drink on top. It's that simple. Ready to enjoy. I recommend everyone try it. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you liked it, don't forget to like the recipe. Not part of our channel yet? Subscribe so you won't miss any of our creations.